The local government minister is insisting this evening that no permit has or will be granted for any entertainment event over the holiday period. TVJ News caught up with Desmond McKenzie at his annual Christmas treat for the elderly in West Kingston. He has promised an announcement about plans for establishments or others that continue to breach the Disaster Risk Management Act. Krista Campbell has the details.
One man fatally shot at a bike show in Woodhall, Clarendon on Saturday. Before that, 6 shot and injured, including a 12-year-old, at a dance in Grove Place, Manchester on Friday. Local government minister Desmond McKenzie is concerned, especially because no permit has been issued for entertainment events to be held during this festive season.
There are criminal elements who use these illegal parties to exercise the power of the gun, and it is affecting us, it is affecting the murder rate, and I can only ask persons to remember that no parties are allowed.
He notes that the police have been shutting down illegal events and charging persons who organize or attend them, but they continue. It's a breach of the Disaster Risk Management Act, DRMA, and the local government minister says the authorities have been taking note.
It is going to be difficult, humanly impossible for us to monitor. What we are doing though is observing especially establishments that are in contravention of the DRMA. And I will be in short order, probably in another week or so, be making some announcement as how we're going to treat those establishments who continue to violate the order.
Now, while persons question whether the police are doing enough to clamp down on these illegal events,
we should ask ourselves, are we as citizens doing enough to ensure that the work of the police is minimized? You have increasing motor vehicle accidents, you have, traffic pile up across the city, across the country. We are asking the police to do too much.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.